Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. Wanted to provide you with an update concerning the high-profile criminal case styled as the People of the State of California versus Nick Reiner. This case was filed in the criminal courts, Los Angeles County, on the 16th of December 2025. And Mr. Reiner has been charged with 2 counts of first-degree unaliving with special circumstances concerning the unalivings of his parents, the famous Hollywood actor and director Rob Reiner, and Nick Reiner's mother, Rob Reiner's wife, Michele Reiner, a producer of Hollywood film and a photographer. They were found unalived, according to authorities, in their home in the exclusive Brentwood section of Los Angeles. Several hours later, Nick Reiner was arrested, charged, and he has been incarcerated at the Clara Shortridge criminal justice system since then. Mr. Reiner has been scheduled twice thus far for his arraignment, where he would be called upon to plead either not guilty or guilty to the charges that have been brought against him. The first scheduled date of his arraignment was December 17th, 2025, and his then private attorney had indicated he had just been retained, needed more time, and so Mr. Reiner did agree to the resetting of his arraignment to January 7th, 2026. However, at that time, his private attorney indicated that he would need to be withdrawing from the case. It was learned this was nothing that had to do with Mr. Reiner himself. Sometimes an attorney will withdraw if there's some sort of a conflict between what the attorney is recommending and what the client is doing. It doesn't sound like it was that type of a situation, and counsel was unable to get into the specifics of what had happened arising from the attorney-client privilege. At that time, the 7th of January 2026, Mr. Reiner was appointed defense counsel from the public defender's office. The arraignment was reset now for a third time to occur on February 23rd, 2026. There is a notation on the docket that there was some sort of a proceeding that had been scheduled in the case January 15th, 2026, some type of a hearing, but it says here that it was not held. So that looks like it might have been some sort of an error in scheduling on the court docket. The next matter to be conducted will be this important arraignment when his plea will be entered formally by the court on the 23rd of February. Mr. Reiner, under our Constitution, is considered not guilty until or unless he either pleads guilty or is adjudicated guilty at a trial. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. This is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.